In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Roblox Shift Lock cursor, making your gaming experience even more personalized and fun. This is a straightforward process that should take about 5 minutes to complete, so let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to Sweezy Cursor. Here, you'll find a variety of options that you can choose from to customize your Roblox cursor just the way you want. Feel free to explore and pick a cursor and pointer that reflect your style or the theme you're going for. Once you've made your choice, download the selected cursor and pointer to your computer. Next, you'll need to locate your Roblox player files on your computer. To do this, open your drive storage and navigate to the folder where Roblox is installed. You're looking for the main directory, which commonly contains folders for the various assets used by the game. Within this directory, it's important to find the folder named Textures. This folder houses all the visual components, including the cursor files you'll be changing. Once inside the Textures folder, look for a subfolder named Cursors. This is where Roblox keeps its cursor graphics, including the default Shift Lock cursor images. Now, it's time to identify the default cursor files. You should find two specific files named arrowcursor.png and arrowfarcursor.png. These are the images you'll be swapping out with your custom ones. Before replacing these files, make sure to rename your custom cursor images to exactly match these file names, arrowcursor.png and arrowfarcursor.png. It's crucial to use these exact names so that Roblox can recognize and apply your custom cursors when you start the game. If the names don't match, Roblox will default back to its original cursors. With your custom cursor files correctly renamed, go ahead and replace the default files with your new ones. This is the step where you're physically swapping out the cursor graphics, and once you've done that, you're all set. Finally, launch Roblox and initiate any game you like. Your new custom cursor should now be visible within the game, adding a unique touch to your Roblox experience. If for any reason the cursor doesn't change, double-check the file names and ensure they are placed in the correct directory. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed your Roblox Shift Lock cursor to one that better suits your personal taste. Enjoy your gaming with this little touch of personalization. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one.